going on, you guys? So the front fender flares right here, and we're gonna be unboxing this and seeing what kind of modifications are gonna be needed, just by the eye, by the naked eye, just to see what we're gonna have to do. Same thing as how we did it on the rear, but this time we're doing it on the front. And so let's start unboxing. Also, before we get started of the unboxing, I want to let you guys know the winners of the comment of the last video that I posted on the rear fender flares of the best comment. I didn't only pick 5. I picked the first couple people. I think it was like 13 people. Their comments are right here on the screen if you guys want to pause the video and read them. I basically just picked the first, I think it was the first 13 people, or the first couple people, the first hour, and those are the people that won. So I messaged you guys already on your guys' address and whatnot, so by the time you guys are watching this video, your guys' stickers should be shipped right now. But let's get started. So it comes nicely packaged just like the last one, and don't mind my voice, guys. I think I'm getting sick, so my voice might be a little sicky sounding, so let's keep opening it. So on this one, they gave me 2 packages of the instructions and the, I guess, screws. And on the rear one, they only gave me 1. Thanks, but I'm not gonna be using these, but thanks anyways. So these are the right ones. Doesn't look like it comes cracked or chipped. Just a little bit chipped right here. I don't know if you could tell. It's a little chip, but not big of a deal. So this is the right one. These are the second pieces. And these are the left ones. These seem to come perfect. Never mind. Just a little bit chipped on the corners, but not big of a deal, like I said. But this is how they look. Honestly, in my opinion, these look a lot better, smoother than the other ones, but we're gonna make it work. So just like the rears, we're gonna tape up all around the edges before we actually test fit it on the car, just so we don't scratch it. So now it's time to put it on the car for the first time. So it looks like it needs to be lifted up a little bit more right here. And I think it's not allowing it because of this curve that goes right here. It's touching the actual fender of the car. So we're probably gonna have to trim that down. But let's see how it looks on the sides. It honestly doesn't look as bad as the rear ones where they had a big gap, but the rear one was because it had like a little piece that was like a thick old piece, if you guys saw, that didn't allow it to sit on the body flush. We still got to trim it down right here on the door. So hopefully with a little bit of trimming down in here and trimming of the door, it's gonna allow it to sit a little bit more flush. So overall, it doesn't really look that bad up here. It just needs a little bit of work. The only problem where there's a lot of work I think is going to be needed is by the door, where there's a big old gap, because I'm pretty sure even though if we cut it towards the door, the line of the door, there's still going to be that big old gap. So there's going to be some filling in I'm going to have to do. So that's not really that bad. So now let's move over to the right side. Actually, let's try seeing how one of these are going to fit. And I think it's the other one. It's this one. Yeah, so we're gonna have to do some modifying to this if we want to put this on, this little piece. But I don't really think we're probably gonna put it on, because as you can tell, it covers up to the bumper line. So we might just cut it off to the bumper line and that'll be it. So we probably won't need those pieces. I'm not sure yet, don't quote me on that, but it looks pretty fine like that. Until we actually get it starting to fit into the body, we'll see what's gonna make it look a little bit better and whatnot. kind of the side. Back. So now let's move over to the right side. There we go. All taped up. And same thing as the other one. It's pretty good up here. Same thing right there. And same thing on this side. And then what I was thinking when I turned the camera off, I was looking at it again, and I was thinking maybe I can try and make a piece out of the other one, the one that I said I might not put, that one. Thinking of putting or trying to modify it to fit to the RS3 lip right here, the bumper lip. So I might get something to modify it to fit perfect right here flush. So I don't know yet. There's a lot of possibilities that we can do, but first things first, just try and get this fitted first. But yeah. Looks good, feels good. For these fender flares, I'm not just gonna leave them like that. I'm gonna do some stuff to them that's gonna spice them up a little bit, so they're not just gonna be like this. They're gonna be some things added to it. Well, in my head, I have some things that I want to do to them, so hopefully that turns out good, and it's gonna be a little bit different, hopefully. But for now, let's just try and get them fitted. So that's gonna be the end of this video, guys. Of course, there's gonna be a lot more episodes for this because it's gonna take a lot of time just to get this fitted to the car. But it's gonna be a good journey. And I got some spacers already for the car. They're temporary just so I can get it fitted so I can push out the wheel more and know actually where this should be positioned correctly. So I got just a pair of spacers, 2-inch spacers, and that should be coming in pretty soon. So next episode should be fun. We're actually gonna start putting hands-on work into this and trying to get it fit. The next episodes should be fun, and it's gonna be a good one. So with that being said, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Peace out, and don't forget, embrace yourself.